AI Day with Preethi.
Learn how AI, whether it's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or any other AI program, can enrich both your personal lives and your professional lives. Or you may be simply curious about what AI is about or what it can do for you. In this AI Day, you will be able to follow different classes that appeal to small business owners, to retirees, to working professionals, to stay-at-home parents, to seniors. There are different classes that will appeal to you. You can take all the classes if you like, or you can attend only the class that you want to attend, all for the same price. How to use ChatGPT. That's a basic intro class. If you have no clue about ChatGPT, or you know what ChatGPT is about, but you're not sure what it can do for you, then how to use ChatGPT would be a great class. How to use Google Gemini. Side hustle with ChatGPT, 20 plus ways to make an income using ChatGPT working from home. If you're looking for a supplemental income, or if you're out of work right now, or you know someone who could use some ideas on how to make an income with ChatGPT, that's a great class. AI tools for small business owners. If you're running a small business and you're trying to cut back costs and you're trying to save time, maximize time, this is a great class. Save big, discount air tickets, hotels, groceries using ChatGPT and AI. Wouldn't you like to cut back on your grocery bill? Wouldn't you like to get cheaper airline tickets or cut back costs on hotel stays and learn where to stay for less for better quality, all using AI? Financial aid scholarships for college. This is a great class for those preparing for college or for parents preparing their children for college, looking ahead. What scholarships are available? What financial aid is available? Money is a big factor when it comes to affording college. How can AI help? These are some of the classes that will be covered on AI Day with Preethi. I hope you consider registering. Encourage your friends to register. See you on AI Day with Preethi. Thank you.